Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Compass and I will show you the location of spare tire and spare tire toolkit. This video should apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now you want to open the liftgate. And then once you're here, I'll turn the flash on my phone. You just want to leave this bottom cover all the way up, right? And here is your spare tire and spare tire toolkit. Now to remove any of these, you just have to turn this knob counterclockwise, right? You just have to unscrew it. And once you do that, you can just remove first the tools and then you can remove the spare tire. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. I will not be pulling everything out, but that's the idea. Okay. I will also add, usually the allowed speed on a spare tire is 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour, so you shouldn't drive faster than that. That should actually be stated somewhere on the tire, but I don't see it on this one for some reason. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.